Yeah, I know. Like after coming from school, I sleep, right?
Okay.
So that's why I woke up at like around 6 p.m. So that's why.
Maria,
Yes, sir.
you also sleeping?
No, no, I was outside.
Okay. So, in previous class, we have started double-sided error, two-sided error, you can say. So, I told you how to solve these type of question. I'm sharing one now, and I will solve that question so that you will understand the topic and start practicing those questions. So, one-sided error, double-sided. Okay, I'm sharing a question now. Okay, so can you see the question now?
No, sir.
Nadia, you also?
No, sir.
Still not visible?
Visible, sir. Visible.
Okay. So you can see these are two-sided errors. In first one, the question number 4, you can see past doesn't necessary journal entries to rectify the following errors. Okay. Credit sale of 570 to Mohan was recorded as 750. First of all, I have to create format of journal. This is the main solution part, so I'm not going to write incorrect, correct, and then the combined entry. I'm just writing here the rectification entry only. So that's why all these correct and incorrect will be done in working note. So this is question number 4 we are discussing here, journal entry. date, particular LF, debit amount, credit amount. So first of all, entry number 1. For this one, credit sale of 570 to Mohan was recorded as 750. Now, the working note, credit sale to Mohan. So correct entry should be, correct one should be Mohan
One
account debit
account debit to sales account.
to sales account. Yes. It is 570. But we have recorded this entry as 750. So the incorrect one is also same. Entry is same. There is no change in entry. Just amount is different. So to sales account 750. Incorrect one. Okay. So there is no difference in entry. So that's why we don't have to convert the entry, reverse the entry, or merge the entry. We just have to, you can see, difference is 180 between these two amounts. Can you tell me what should we do here? If you're getting the question, then tell me what should we do here? If we reverse this entry, the incorrect one, it will be sales account debit to Mohan account. 750, 750. Now, sales on the debit side is 750. On the credit side, it is 570. Mohan on the credit side is 750 and on the debit side it is 570. So if we can calculate the difference 180, which is, then we can merge this entry and the final entry will be sales account debit to Mohan, because the reversal entry amount is more than the correct one. So sales account debit to Mohan account. I also told you this in one-sided error where there is a higher amount written or overcasting or over totaling. Then what we have done in that case, we have written something on the opposite side, the difference of amount. So we have written on the opposite side. In this case also, the actual entry should be with 570, but we have done this with 750, so it is more. That's why we have reversed the account with difference amount. So Bing rectification entry or rectification of amount. Second one, you understood this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The second one is credit sale of 850 to Sohan was recorded as sale to Mohan. Yes. Now here entry number 2. The correct entry should be Sohan account debit to sales. Sohan account debit to sales account with 850. Now the incorrect one. Incorrect one, it is Sohan was recorded to Mohan. Okay, so entry is done Mohan account debit to sales. It is 850. Now the incorrect one will be reversed as we discussed. The reversal entry. Sales account debit to Mohan. To Mohan account. 850. 850. Now we will match, or you can say merge correct one and this reverse one. So sales on the credit side in the correct one with 850 and sales on the debit side, these two items will be removed because it is plus minus and it will be removed. So the balance 2 is Sohan account debit to Mohan account. Sohan account debit to Mohan account with the same amount 850. Tell me, is this clear? Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How was your exam, Abdullah?
Yeah, it was fine.
It was fine, but before that you just laughed.
नहीं, I mean, क्या बताऊँ मैं? कुछ घंटे में कैसे कर पाऊंगा पूरा?
करना तो पड़ेगा ना.
They're actually hard. Depreciation बहुत hard है.
हाँ, एक दो दिन में अगर पढ़ने की कोशिश करोगे तो हार्ड लगेगा. Credit sale of 850 to Meenu was recorded as sale to Meena as 580. Now there is two problem here. One, the account is also incorrect, and the second, amount is incorrect. So third one, I will write the correct one, incorrect one, and you have to tell me that what will happen here. So sale to Meenu. Meenu. So Meenu account debit to sales 850 and 850. But the sale was recorded with Meena. Meena account debit to sales account. Amount is different, which is 580. This is incorrect one. Okay. Now, can you tell me what we have to do here? Nadiha?
So first we will reverse the incorrect entry, right?
Yes, reversal will be done.
So
Very
it will
good.
be sales account debit to Meena account.
Good. Sales account
Then
debit to Meena. We have to reverse the incorrect. So it will be 580, 580. Reverse. Now you have to match the merge the correct and reverse one. So what will be rectification entry? You both have to tell me. Okay. So think.
sir, the entries of different sides cannot be cancelled, right? Like for example, two sales and sales account. एक में credit में एक में debit में, so we can't cancel like that, right?
No, we cancel same thing. If it is on the debit, you can see here, in this case, sale is on the debit side and sale is on the credit side.
Ah, okay, okay.
We cancel like this only, means plus minus. Uh, in one entry, it is on positive, you can say debit side or credit side in one second entry. So that's why it is cancelled.
Okay. So we will cancel this, right?
Sales.
Sales account and two sales account.
Okay. And
No, 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 sorry, sorry.
tell me.
Sir, it can't be Meena account debit to Meena account, right?
Meenu account debit to Meena account, you are saying.
Oh, okay, okay. Then yeah, then I guess we will cancel sales only, right? Sales account to sales account. Meenu account debit to Meena account.
Okay, so entry is Meenu account debit to Meena account. Amount.
The difference is 1 minute, so let me calculate the difference. I didn't calculate.
Madhya, you didn't say anything.
Sir, 270.
270 on the both side.
I guess.
Madhya, please tell me so we can complete.
I don't know.
You don't know,
Yeah.
but you have to try. I'm not saying that you know things.
Sir, can you
According to the rules. What,
wait?
Abdullah? Yes,
No,
Madhya.
I guess my answer is wrong. My answer is wrong.
Okay, just wait. Madhya, so I'm not saying that you know things here, but you have to try. You know the concept. I already discussed with you the concept of this correct, incorrect. After that, inverse reversal of incorrect entry, and then the merging of two entry, the correct one and the reverse one. So how we merge? If there is any account on the opposite side with same amount, then we have to cancel it. Okay. If there is after canceling whatever left, we have to write it in journal entry. So what should we do here? Just think about it. Tell me your answer, either correct or incorrect. No problem with that, but you have to try. Nadia, you have to tell me the answer. If you don't know, then I will also solve this one, but you should try.
Sales account debit to Mino account.
You have to merge this one and this one. You have to make these two entry combine. Abdullah, you want to rectify your entry?
Um, yes, sir, my answer is wrong, I know, but
So I'm
I can't
saying
think
that
of the correct
you want
one.
to rectify your entry.
Uh, yes, I do, but like I don't know the correct. I can't think of the correct answer.
Okay. You understand this one, this previous one I have done. I have written
Yes,
incorrect,
sir, yes, sir.
correct, then reverse. The sales account I have removed Sohan to Mohan. So I have written here Sohan to Mohan, the balance, two items. So in the same manner, we have to do this. Madhya, you told me sales account debit to Meenu.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. The problem is we cannot cancel sale here. Why? Because sale on the debit side is 580, sale on the credit side is 850. So it cannot be cancelled. If it is with the same amount, then you can cancel it. Otherwise, you cannot cancel the entry. So you have to see on which side it is more. On the credit side, it is more, 850. On the debit side, it is only 580. Yes?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay. So we have to calculate the difference for sale. Difference for sale only. Because Meena and Meenu is different. We cannot calculate the difference for these. Now, correct entry is Meenu account debit to sales. You can see here. So Meenu is on the debit side. We will write here Meenu account debit with the amount written in this entry 850. Okay. The reverse one, you can see Meena is on the credit side with 580. So we will write to Meena account 580 and sale difference is 270. 850 minus 580, 270, and the credit side is more. So sale will be written on credit side to sales account 270. Tell me if you understand this part. This is confusing because there is two error now. We have to correct the account. We have to correct the amount. Any confusion you can ask because I have to make sure that this entry you understood.
Very confusing, sir.
Yes, it is confusing, I know, but you didn't understand the entry at all, or is there any specific problem?
So it थोड़ा बहुत समझ में आया.
Madhya?
Only a little bit.
Okay. Okay. This is the correct one. Yes? Is this clear? The correct
Yes,
one?
sir.
Any
Yes,
doubt?
sir. No, sir.
Okay, so I have written this correct one as it is. You can see menu account debit to sales account. I've written the same entry. I'm not talking about amount here, but I'm talking about only entry. So I have written the correct one as it is. Okay. Okay. Now, we have reversed this incorrect one. I told you that after reversing the incorrect one, we don't need incorrect one. We need only reversal entry, which is sales account debit to Meena account. So I have written this Meena account also in credit side as it is. Meena on the credit side, Meenu on the debit side with the same amount, 850, 580, whatever their entry was. So I have written the same amount. But in case of sales, now there is two sales and I can only write one account in one side. So you cannot write sale on the debit side, sale on the credit side. It is not possible. So we have to write it one side only. So sale is written on the side which is higher, that is 850. Sale on the credit side is 850. Sale on the debit side is 580. So we have deducted 580 from 850 and the difference is 270. And we have written it in credit side. Why credit side? Because sale is more on the credit side. On the debit side, it is less. So we cannot write it on the debit side. So balance is credit. That's why it is written in credit side. Is this clear now?
So can you repeat? What did you say?
Okay. Which part?
अभी अभी तो just कह रहे थे like I didn't hear you.
मैंने कहा कि सेल जो है वो क्रेडिट में ज्यादा है तो उसका बैलेंस भी क्रेडिट में ही निकलेगा, इसीलिए मैंने सेल्स को क्रेडिट में लिखा है। जो रिवर्स एंट्री में सेल दिख रहा है 580, उसका अमाउंट कम है तो हम सेल डेबिट में नहीं लिख सकते, इसीलिए मैंने सेल क्रेडिट में लिखा है सिर्फ डिफरेंस अमाउंट के साथ। बिकॉज let's say that this sale is 850 and this sale is 580, so it is assumed that 580 is cancelled. Obviously, if sale here on the credit side also it is 580, then both account will be cancelled. Sale in this account, sale in the first correct entry, it will be cancelled if it is 580. But the amount is different. In one side it is 850, in second side it is 580. So we have to deduct the amount. Okay.
So sir, in exam, how do we solve these type of questions?
You have to remember the concept of merging the entry. In merger
Very
of
hard.
entry, when you have to combine entry, there is two rules which we discuss in journal entry itself. Whenever we combine two entry, you have to find the common account in both entry. Common account in both entry. So which entry you are combining, you have to see, is there any account common in the first and second one both? So if there is any common, you have to see either it is on the opposite side or on the same side. So add the amount of common account if it is on the same side.
Sir,
Yes.
I'm just coming in 1 minute, okay?
Okay. And deduct the amount of common account if it is on the opposite side. So this thing you have to remember. अगर अमाउंट अपोजिट साइड में, अगर कोई भी दो अकाउंट अपोजिट साइड में है तो उनके अमाउंट को हम डिडक्ट करते हैं, और अगर सेम साइड में है तो उनके अमाउंट को हम ऐड करते हैं। तो वही मैंने यहाँ पे किया है। यू कैन सी दैट सेल्स इज ऑन द डेबिट साइड एंड क्रेडिट साइड। On the credit side, it is 850. On the debit side, it is 580. So difference I have calculated 270, and it is written on the side which is higher. Madiha?
Yes, sir.
Now it is clear to you?
Yes.
Okay.
Sir,
And
should we write that?
journal entry?
No, the combined.
Okay. Combined entry, I think you have. Okay. Actually, no. You have not done this. Yes, please write this combined entry.
Okay. Done, sir.
Okay. So You understood this entry, or is there still any doubt? Because if you have any, then you should tell me clearly. Nadia,
Yes, sir.
do you have any doubt in this one, the third one?
No, sir.
Okay, so Minu account debit to Meena account to sales. Now the fourth one, credit sale of 850 to Ram was recorded in the purchase book. The problem is that credit sale to of 850 to Ram was recorded in purchase book. Journal entry is not incorrect, but instead of sales account or sales book, we have recorded it in purchase book. Okay. So the fourth one entry was the correct one should be Ram account debit to sales because we have sold goods to Ram, but it is recorded in purchase book, means purchase account is debited. If you will write it, then it will be purchase account debit to Rama. Okay, amount is 850. It is 8, yes, 850. Now tell me, is there any common item? Well, no, first of all, we have to reverse the entry. We cannot combine the correct and incorrect one. We have to reverse the incorrect one. So reversal entry of incorrect one will be Ram account debit to purchase account. Yes. Okay. If I ask you, Badia, that what are the steps in rectification? So the first one will be pass the correct entry. Second, pass the incorrect entry. And the third one will be reverse the incorrect one and then rectification entry. So there is total 4 steps. So rectification entry. For rectification purpose, we have to combine the correct one and reverse one. Correct one and the reverse one. Can you tell me, after combining these two entry, what will be the rectification entry? Madiha, this question is for you if you understood the previous one.
Uh, Ram account to purchase account. Ram account debit.
Okay, I'm writing your answer. Ram account debit. Then
To purchase account.
to purchase account. Okay, and
Um,
okay, what will be the amount?
850.
Okay, first of all, we have to find a common one, common entry. I told you just now, find the common account in both entry. So in correct and reverse one, there is one common account, which is Ram account. Yes?
Yes.
Okay. So if it is on the same side, then what we have to do?
Add it.
Add the amount. So Ram account should be how much? 850 of this RAM account, 850 of this RAM account.
1,700.
1,007. Very good. Now, purchase account here in this one, we have to write, and sales account here we have to write. So purchase to sales. In combining two entries, you cannot leave any one. You can only leave the two entries which is common. So you have to write only one from that. Because RAM account, you can see RAM account, there is two RAM accounts. So we have written only one. And we have added the amount together. So to purchase, to sale, we have to write from here, and to purchase, we have to write from here. So 850 for purchase, 850 for sale. Is this clear?
Yes.
Abdullah,
Yes, sir.
you were disconnected.
No, I'm not disconnected. I'm here only.
Okay. So the next one is credit sale of old machinery to Sohan for 1700 was entered in the sales book. So we have sold.
That's 7,100.
Yes. Actually, third and fourth we have to write here. Menu account debit to sales account to menu. 850, 570, and 580 and 270. The fourth one was a RAM account debit to purchase to sales. It is 850, 850, and 1700. Now, the fifth one. Fifth one is sale of old machine. Sale of old machine, for this correct entry will be credit sale of old machine. So Sohan account debit to old machinery. It will not be written as sales, so to old machinery account. 1700, and it is recorded incorrectly in sales book. It means it is recorded as Sohan account debit to sales. Sohan account debit to sales account. 7,100, 7,100. We have to reverse the incorrect one. So reverse entry will be sales account debit to Sohan. Sohan account 7,100 and 7,100. Now tell me what will be the rectification entry. You have to combine the correct one and the reverse one. Do it fast because other student will also join. Yes. Madhya, you tell me.
Sohan account debit
Okay.
to sales account and to machine, to old machine. Very. What to old? What is that?
Old machine, yes.
Yeah. To old machine.
So you were saying Sohan account debit to old machinery. Anything else?
No, to sales account and then
But
to
sales is
old.
on the debit side.
Okay. Then to old machine.
Sohan account debit, sales account debit to old machine.
Yeah.
Okay, Abdullah, what is your answer?
For which one, the reverse one or the
You have to tell me the rectification entry.
rectification? So,
You have to combine these two. For rectification one, you have to combine correct one and the reverse one.
sir, we can't cancel Sohan, right? Because like we
This
can't
is,
cancel Sohan because the amount is different, right?
yes, we cannot cancel the Sohan because the amount is different.
And there is no sales in the correct entry also. So what do we do?
You tell me. I have asked the question from you.
Madia, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Like this one, combine.
Yes.
Okay. So there is a lot of background noise in like my background, so I can't study properly. Yeah.
Okay. So first of all, one account is common, Sohan. Sohan is on the debit side here with 1700 and Sohan is on the credit side here with 7100. So we have to write account on the side where amount is higher. So Sohan will be on the credit side.
Hello,
Hello,
sir.
you joined after so many classes.
Yes, sir.
You joined after so many classes was cancelled.
Yes, sir.
Okay, just wait for a few minutes. It will complete
Okay.
now. Okay, so Sohan account will be on the credit side because you can see here the amount is higher on the credit side. So Sohan account will be on the credit side. After that, old machine is also on the credit side. So we will write old machine. 1700 it is. And sales is on the debit side. 7100. So this is the entry. Sales is on the same side. Old machine is on the same side. And Sohan. Sohan is common one in both the entry. So we have written Sohan account on the side where the amount is higher with difference. So Sohan account on the credit side with 5400. Tell me, Abdullah, Madhya, is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. So there is total 3 question here. I will show this solution in the next class actually. If you want to write it, actually, no, not enough time. You can take the screenshot. Where is the solution? There is too many. Okay. You can solve the question number 5 and 6. I have explained the question number 4. You have to try question number 5 and 6. Tell me, you can do it or not?
Try. We'll try.
Very good. Abdullah,
Yes, sir.
you have to try question number 5 and 6.
Full.
Okay,
Hello.
you have to try question number 5